皆さん、こんにちは。J-Steve です。Today, we're going to take a look at some updates from Kamen Rider Geats and Ohsama Sentai King-Ohger. Let's see one by one. Number 1. Kamen Rider Tycoon Shogun. Finally, we are able to see the final form of Keiwa in episode 41 today. Kamen Rider Tycoon Shogun. Seems like this is also a berserk form of Tycoon. But the Henshin scenes and the overall form are super cool. I love it. And here's a close look of the Henshin item. And the race buckle is called Bujin sword. That's Bujin sword buckle is gonna announce tomorrow as a premium Bandai product, so stay tuned. Number 2, Osama Sentai King-Ohger Power Up. Wow, the first power up form in the King-Ohger series is here, the gold color form, which looks a lot like a Kamen Rider. Kamen Rider blade though. This form looks really cool, and I believe this power up form is Henshin by Gira. Rakulus is holding a crown, and this should be the Henshin item of this new power up form. So let's wait and see for the episode 18 of the King-Ohger. Number 3, Kamen Rider episode 42 preview. So here are some scenes of the episode 42 of the Kamen Rider Geats. Let's have a look. And last but not least, the trailer of these two new movies are out too. Kindly take a look. Okay, here are the crap episode today. So what do you guys think? Leave the comments below. Alright, so today, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for being here for your channel and see you next time. Bye.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to